Manipur gi Irang Asida National Media Singna Nakal Namagi Mityengda PCI gi Ethical Standard Ngakna Pao Phongkhide haina MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na phongdokkhre wafamasi National Media and Manipur Mehem haiba larik ama naingnabagi thauramda mahakna phongdokkibane Manipur University gi Research Club amati Manipur University Students Union musu anina silag ngase University asigi Department of Arts Sciences ki Senate holder pangthokiba thauramatuda MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam hai National Media and Manipur Mehem hariba larik asina leibak asigi maru oiba National Media mangana Manipurda thokiba Irang Asida mari leidana phongkiba report chatu rom kupna nainare National Media Sing asina phongdokkiba pau sing adu objectivity amadi substance watpada natana Press Council of India PCI gi ethical standard ngakide pau sing adu Nakal Namagi oiba bias oiba pau ngakta oiki haina mahakna nungnang phongdokki
Public opinion wrongly shaming the media ki falsehood to na tawra abdina. You have seen a completely wrong picture about what happened in Manipur. This is not about being biased to one community or the other. All that our target is the media. That one, you have not followed the standard of PCI in a setup of a professional ethics follow. Discuss critical discourse analysis how the news is produced and under what context it is produced and how is it consumed. Kana paisa pibano, kana karma funding agency, when reporters is to blame. Much of this problem lies in the newsroom.
Thauramatuda wangangloi oina saruk yakiba Imphal Free Press ki editor Irang Asida media gi watchdog ama oiriba Editors Guild of India EGI na Manipur Irang Asida utliba thong asi yamna laibak thibani haina mahakna phongdokki
Donors in crowdfunding the paisa khai sing manungda ama yaule ni masi moina soibada ki tawja ITLM media cell you all know it but Twitter government adagi kona soire company ki amu ITLM se delete karuga kanane kamai to response to moji kamai kari kanoda moji prepare they have already written the report before they came here sigi report the caravan alternative media caravan magazine where does Iba Grisma Kuterna Nopiamana? How the government is enabling ethnic cleansing in Manipur? Sigi can Magi Grisma Katugi can Siga Magi report Siga easy report Siga. There's so many similarities.
Retired IAS officer Dr. R.K. Nimaina chair Loduna Pangtokiba Thauramatuda panelist oina JNU Ge Special Center for the Study of Northeast India Ge Assistant Professor Dr. G. Amarjit Sarma, Frontier Manipur Ge Editor-in-Chief Dhiren A. Sadokpam, Imphal Free Press Ge Editor Irengbam Arun, Manipur University Ge Department of Mass Communication Ge Assistant Professor Dr. Natasa Elangbam na Sarugyaki.